the first day after NFP Friday, and gotta say it was difficult. I mean, look at the chart, and what you see here is the 5-minute New York session here. I mean, look at that, all the way from the market open 9:30-ish until now, pretty much ranging. And look at the 15-minute chart here. Wow, like a huge barcode chart. Anyway, I got pretty much married to the idea that the market should be dropping. Still made $708 today on multiple accounts. I'm going to show you guys in a second. No copy trading again, so I'm quite happy about the result. But what a session. Actually, London session was also, well, it's a little bit hectical because I got chopped up here with small positions, so nothing special there. And later, this is going to be interesting, this level. I marked this up. Actually, I marked that up for the 5-minute chart. Yeah, so that would be like very shorter block or supply area right there, whatever you want to call it. Same here. And as the market opened, well, pretty much upside down movement, pretty much upside down. And seeing all these wicks on the 5 and the 15-minute time frame, I was pretty much sure that we should be dropping down to a low from November 19 at 20,678. And at this point, after the open, we got pretty close to do that. Managed to take I don't even know how many trades. Overall 5 or 6 trades. 2 of them were small losses, but then with micros progressed forward. But it was quite interesting. And so we were talking about this here, and we can see that how price is slowly going to break this supply area and maybe break higher into that 15-minute CB up there. Very, very, very disappointed that we didn't go down there. After the stream, I took another long position from this area as we inverted this gap all the way. I took it to the 880s. So that was the final winner, but that was off stream. Anyway, let me show you guys how we're doing with the accounts. The Apex account is the biggest winner today. One of the Apex accounts, $520, closing to, I mean, getting closer to 52,000, 1,747 right now. This one made it $244 on this one, also getting closer to 2,000 in profit. This one is just above 1,000, no trades on this account. This one made 157, a little bit above 1,000, almost 1,300 in profit. This one actually down $1, but who cares, right? And this one, no trade, only 476. No change on the bulenox accounts so far. Pretty much behind everything, just a few $100s, but no trades on these ones today. But which I'm super proud of is the My Funded Futures account today. Managed to make $271 on this one. Now, as you can see, I paid quote unquote paid because it's a demo, obviously simulated funded account, but $100 in commission. I was down on this account $260 or $70 throughout the stream. Managed to climb back to $271 net profit, and this account is getting closer to a payout. Managed to make 36 bucks. Actually, this was in a drawdown as well, but I did not want to push it since this is getting closer. I would like to take a payout around $2,700. Anyway, I consider this as an extremely good day still, despite this chop. So imagine how awesome would have been if we could be having another trendy day. But anyways, super happy, great day, looking forward for the next one. I hope you guys like the thumbnail. And yeah, absolutely great day. All right, see you guys on the next one.